you reach for me. Like the sun in the painted sky, you sing my heart a lullaby. Stars hold their breath, we sway. Moonbeams with ribbons to light the way. Hand in hand, like a vow in the wind. You begin where I begin. Always and forevermore. You're the song, the sky, the shore. Through every tide, through every storm, I am yours forevermore. Every word in the space, soft as the wishes two dreamers make. Time bends like rivers, folding us near, with love like a lantern to lead through the years. Always and forevermore. You're the sun, the sky, the shore. Through every tide, through every storm, I am yours forevermore.